Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to the training. Today it is June 12th, 2024, and we are learning how to make use of the existing email built from email web developer and build an email within Marketing Cloud with a copy paste feature. Okay, with a copy paste feature. Having said that, so you people have to make use of the Notepad or Notepad++ to open the code, then copy it, and then paste it within the tool. As simple as that. Okay, let me start sharing the screen. And now I'll be in the tool. As usual, please switch to, when we are doing this, please switch to preferably Content Builder. While explaining this, I would like to explain the difference between Content tab in Email Studio and Content Builder. Okay, let's switch to Content Builder. I'll give you some differences within the tool once we start building it. Let's switch to Content Builder. And then as usual, go to your folder and then go to create a new folder, preferably called welcome folder. Since you people now know how to create it, I'll just go ahead and create the welcome folder, and we will be building 3 emails with the help of HTML. As and when we are progressing with learning with respect to email build within the tool, now let's assume we have a dedicated team. We have a dedicated team who are dedicated to build email. Okay, or you can call it as an email web developer. They are email web developers. They are responsible to build the email. They are responsible to build the email, and they will provide you the email built using HTML code in the form of a text, or it might be in the form of a .html file. Email web developers, there is a dedicated team who will be doing it, and you people are responsible as a marketing people or a person who knows Salesforce Marketing Cloud to build that email or to create that email within Marketing Cloud. So the tool is ready, the content is ready, everything has been taken care by your email web developer. So there is a dedicated team. And now we are in Content Builder. The first difference is in Content Builder, you can build content for any channel. Email message, email template, content blocks, SMS, mobile app. There are 2 types of content for it, in-app messages and push notification. You can also upload the content. These are the options what you find in Content Builder. Be on the same tool, I'll just switch into Email Studio email application. And I would like to give the first difference in Content Builder, which we find in email application. We are in email application. I am in email application now. So I would like to share this information with you. Now in email application, there is one more link to how to videos. Try to watch these videos. It's wonderful, beautiful videos to watch it. You can see only related to email content. You can see email message, email template, content blocks, and upload. You can see the first difference. If anyone asks you what is the difference between Content Builder and email application Content Builder, the first difference itself is this one. You can build content only to the email channel in Content Builder of email application. If you switch to Content Builder, you can create content for many channels. It might be for your cloud pages, SMS, in-app notifications, and more. When you click on create, you can see the difference now. You can create an SMS message, you can create mobile app, in-app and push notifications, and others. Majorly, this is the difference, the first difference. Now, as usual, so we have created the folder welcome, and now we will learn how to build those emails, which has already been provided to you people in the zip file. So try to unzip it and make sure that you people are ready with this email 2, welcome email 3, and welcome email 4. You might be wondering where is welcome email 1. That is the one which we will build from the template based concept as a part of learning. Okay. So it's a very simple one. I'll open this in my favorite editor, whichever is your favorite editor, just open it. And if you find it, okay, I think I've copied wrong. No worries. Just a minute. Let me pause it. Thank you very much. You people have completed the downloading, which we know. And now it's time to just go ahead and move on with this one. Welcome email 2. Right click. I'll open in my favorite editor. So as you can see, so don't worry, as I have mentioned, this will be a separate learning display which will be done. Good. Thank you. So this is the code. Right click, select all, Control C, copy it, and you will be creating a folder. So you have already created the welcome folder. In this, you will be just creating the email. So watch my screen. I'll provide you the details. Create. You should be in your folder, content builder, your name, welcome folder. You'll be creating an email message. You're creating an email message. And from the top down, you'll be selecting HTML. What is the name you should give? It should be welcome email to your name as usual, followed by the month, the date, and the year. So I'll be on the screen so that you people are clear. So you have to be clear with two things. The first one, it should be creation method. The second one should be your name. Try to keep an eye on this one. Creation method should be HTML, and then the creation name should be welcome email to, followed by your name, space, month, date, and year. Once this is done, as usual, don't forget to hit the button save first. As a best practice, then click the button next. What is that you people have to do? If you have copied this code, click on the left area and just paste it. That's it. I'll give you the subject line and pre-header, no worries. Okay. Just copy and paste it, and you should be in a good shape. This is how the email should look like. And what is the subject line? Subject line is pretty simple. We'll personalize this. We have learned personalization. Let's get to know each other. This should be the subject line. This should be the pre-header. So let me copy paste and give it to you, or you can do it by yourself. So let's get to know each other. Just copy this text and paste it. And the text which is below it will be your pre-header. Okay, now the question is, who will be deciding all these things? This is all decided by your content managers. The people who are responsible to build the content. It might be your dedicated content team who will decide all the contents, the text, the subject line, pre-header. They will tell you to do this. You have to just follow the things which is being mentioned by them. Personalization is we need to add it. That is hi with the first name. Let's get to know each other. Then the pre-header, and try to read this email. Always a best practice. Okay, don't forget to read the email, whichever you are building it. So what is this email and when it will be sent? That is the things which you people start questioning to your team, to yourself, whenever you people are building emails, and how to automate the things what we are learning in future. Okay, once this is done, as usual, just click the button save. Since we know how to preview it, just go with save and exit. Try to repeat the same steps for the welcome email 2, 3, and 4. Right click, open in your favorite editor, copy it, and what should be the name? Welcome email 3, same HTML email. Welcome email 3, followed by your name, month, date, and year. You need not have to wait for me. Just go ahead and save it, click next, paste the code, and then I'll be giving you the remaining details. Into your lover, what are you waiting for? Is the subject line. Earn exclusive rewards will be your free header. This one, into your lover, what are you waiting for? Is the subject line. Earning exclusive offers and rewards has never been so easy. Join Mind NTO today and start earning points every time you shop. See more membership details below. That link might not work as expected. Just hit the button save and exit. Repeat the third one too. And then give me a right tick mark. That is welcome email 2, welcome email 3. The next one is welcome email 4. After you have completed this, my request to everyone is open the email, read all the 3 emails once, including the subject line. Welcome email 4. Welcome email 4. Your name, month, day, and year. First text PSTT, PSST. You can add these to both. PSTT friend of NTO, we haven't heard from you. Is the subject line. We noticed you haven't opened one of our welcome emails yet, so that should be the welcome email. Okay, don't worry about that. Just try to create this as the subject line and this as the key header. Save it, save and exit it. Open each email so that you should understand the story behind it. Try to read the first email. Click and open the welcome email 3. Read it. Always make a habit of reading the emails which you are building at least once, and then the 4th email. Try to open it, read it. Once done, give me a right tick mark. I'll give you 5 minutes to read it so that we connect the dots, because we are doing projects coming, right? So 5 minutes from now, everyone will be in the listen only mode, and I'll be pausing the recording for the next 5 minutes so that it is not required. Read the email notes. Thank you, everyone. So hopefully everyone has completed their reading. Now it's my turn to read it. Welcome email 1 will decide that. What is this is trying to explain you people? The second email which will be sent from Northern Tail Outfitters after you people sign up is, you can see a logo, let's get to know each other, web version, 50% complete, let's get to know each other. We noticed your NTO profile is only 50% complete. Tell us more about you so we can deliver more relevant offers and products just for you. Right to your inbox. Complete your profile. 20% off your next purchase when you complete your profile. A very simple email which will be sent so that the people get registered for my NTO program. Then comes the third email. Join my NTO lover. What are you waiting for? Subject line, earning exclusive offers and rewards is not been so easy. That is what is given here. What is that you'll be getting? In bronze, 100 to 5,000 points is considered as bronze. And what is that you people will be getting? With bronze level membership, you will be enrolled in our member only email promotions. Plus, every $100 you spend, you will get $5 back. For silver, it should be 5,000 to 10,000 points. You'll be given with 25% off. For gold, it should be under these points, and you'll be given with $100, and you'll be with free 2-day shipping on online. Then comes platinum with NPO expedition per year. So every email has a story. Every email has an offer. Every email has information to be shared with their subscribers. Okay, having said that, then comes the last email. If you have not completed it or if you have not opened the email, this email will be sent. So in real world implementations, for the industry and the organization to which you people are working, they will be a team. There will be a team who will be giving you all these contents to build in the form of HTML code, or they might give you a design page and you will be responsible to build the code which should look like this. Okay. You will be responsible to build the code which should look like this, and then you will be copy pasting that content in this particular tool. This is how you'll be building. Now you people know how to build it. Assuming that we have a dedicated email web development team, and don't forget, so every organization has a dedicated team to give you the content, dedicated team to give you the design. As an email web developer, you are responsible to build this HTML code with all the best practices of email build in mind, so that you can get this and you can move down. So with this, so it's pretty simple concept what we have covered today with respect to email build. When the email code is given to you people, you know how to do. What we will be exploring in the next sessions is how to make use of content blocks, majorly how to make use of email template, and actually email messages are the one which will be sent out. Remember, always you have to build an email message to be used in your single sends, test sends, automation sends, or journey builder sends. Email templates will help you to build more and more, because it will be having standards design things being built, and it will make you to easily build the email messages. So most of the time email template is built mostly in one of these two options based on the knowledge what you people have and based on your team how they want to build it. Actually, the email messages are sent out in Marketing Cloud. Email templates are helping us out in having a standardized design first and then making your email filled quicker enough. Content blocks, as the name says, all these are different blocks which can be built and used in your email, in multiple emails or in one email. You can build an email template or message directly. You can also build content first, then drag and drop it. As I mentioned, the training is more towards drag and drop feature rather than writing a code by yourself, which we have seen as one of the examples which we built yesterday in the form of a template. Email build example. This is the one which we built as a template based one. Okay. If you have built it. So Kaushik has built in my folder. So just try to build it in your folders. Okay, let me see whether Kaushik is here. Kaushik is here. Okay. But I think we have built it wrongly. Let me move it to his folder. This is the one which is built from Kaushik. And okay, we should have named it. You forgot it. That's fine. And if you have not done it, please do rename it. It's one example. Email build example, name, generator. Okay, so this was pretty simple, straightforward things what we did, right? So hoping that you people will be following the next email build things. So it's all about the content blocks which we'll be concentrating to understand the different content blocks, how to create it, and most of the time it will be drag and drop feature what we'll be using to. Thank you very much.